Alright, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Jessica. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel down below and hit that little bell if you want to be notified every time I upload, which is 2 times a week, every Wednesday and Sunday. And make sure to hit that little like button if you guys like relaxed hair videos on my channel. If you guys are coming from part 1 of this video, which is where I show you guys my post relaxer wash day, I'm currently 2 weeks post relaxer in this video, and I personally like to air dry my hair up to a month post relaxer. After that, I usually start to do my roller sets, but I've tried to cut back on heat as much as I can throughout my hair journey, just because I just want to, use as little amount of heat as I can so that my hair can grow and flourish and be healthy. So I just finished deep conditioning my hair. My last video is pretty much where I left off, right here. So I have detangled, deep conditioned, and I'm going to now T-shirt dry for about 10 minutes or so, just to soak up any extra water that is in my hair, and so that all of my products can soak in a little bit better, because if my hair is sopping wet, it usually doesn't do that. So I just have a cotton t-shirt here. Any cotton t-shirt would do. You can buy them in like packs from Walmart or Target or whatever you like to shop. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this back on my head like so. I have been air drying for a few weeks now, probably like a month or so. I really started doing it in the summer months because I could air dry and like go outside and everything and not have a problem. So in the winter months, I'm probably still going to stick to my roller set routine because it's still in direct heat, which I like. So yeah, I just go ahead and wrap this up like so. And I just put it in a little bun in the back. It usually holds itself. And yeah, just like that. So I'm just going to keep this in my head for about 15 minutes or so. 15 to 20 minutes. I'm actually going to go eat some lunch. And then I'll be back to show you guys the products that I use for my air drying day. Alright guys, I am back. It's been about 15 minutes or so. I had some lunch. My hair is pretty much, the ends are pretty much dry. It's just like the most of my hair is still pretty wet. So now I'm just going to go ahead and comb through my hair once again. That is it for T-shirt drying. Now we're going to go ahead and get into where I use a satin scarf to do the rest of my air drying process. It's really convenient today that I'm doing this air drying and washing my hair because it is currently like 80 degrees here in New York today, which is absolutely insane. It is October, but hey, what can you do? So I'm just going to go ahead and take the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Strength and Shine Leave-In Conditioner. If you guys are new to my channel, I absolutely love this stuff. It is some of my favorite leave-in conditioner. It just leaves my hair super soft, hydrated, moisturized, shiny, all of the above. So I just apply that literally just all over my hair. And then to kind of distribute that, I just go ahead and once again and detangle. My hair is pretty much detangled already because of me detangling it in the shower, like I said, and before I put it back up in the t-shirt. And I do this usually, like I said, only when I'm a few weeks post relaxer. I can do this like up to a month after my relaxer. After that, my roots are a little bit my new growth is a little bit too noticeable to do it, so if they're like a little bit just too like crinkly, like too much new growth, so that's when I start to do my roller set, which I absolutely love doing as well. I used to hate it, but now I'm going to love it. So I just go ahead and then I just comb my hair back a little bit, just like this, so that almost like you were doing a ponytail. And then I just take my satin scarf. I got this one, I think, from Sally's or my local beauty supply. They literally have these everywhere. It just looks like this. So I just go ahead and place that on my head and do this. I make sure my ears are out because I hate having my ears inside. Fun fact. And then I just kind of, not too tight, like not like giving myself a headache. I tie it up like this. And I keep this in for about a half an hour or so. And then I'll come back and show you guys how I moisturize my hair. Okay guys, so it has been about 45 minutes and this is what my hair is looking like. So it's still pretty wet, like up here especially. So I'm just going to go ahead and add my leave-in conditioner. I'm using the Elastic QP Olive Oil and Mango Butter Anti-Breakage Leave-In Conditioner. This is one of my favorite leave-in conditioners ever. I love this stuff so much. So I'm just going to go ahead and comb through my hair once again. The ends are pretty much dry on my hair now. I'm just pretty much waiting for like the rest of my hair to be dry. So I'm just gonna go ahead and split. I lost my other clip. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply this to my hair as well. So I'm just going to take about that much, actually that's a little bit much, just like about a dime size amount to each section, depending on how big the section is, but dime size is usually. And I make sure to do this when my hair is still like pretty damp because that's how my hair gets the most moisture and absorbs the most product. After I'm done applying the leave-in conditioner, I just go ahead and smooth back my edges with a light boar bristle brush, just because I want my edges to be flat without having to straighten them or anything like that. And then I also take the brush and do this to my ends, just to smooth them out because my ends can get pretty frizzy with this air drying method. So that I find just helps smooth everything out a little bit and make everything a little bit easier. So I just go ahead and smooth out my hair again. And I just go ahead and apply my scarf once again. I usually do this now until my hair is fully dry, or like 90 to 95%. If I'm in a rush or I want to go to bed, I just go ahead and take a blow dryer and blow dry my roots just to make the process a little bit easier. But since I'm just hanging out at home today, editing some videos and doing some homework, I'm just going to let the process run as it may. So I will be back to show you guys once my hair is completely dry. Alright, so hi guys. It is a couple days later now actually. I just wanted to finish off and show you guys how I finished off my my air drying routine. I'm sorry guys. I did do a braid out, so that's why my hair is a little bit like frizzy a little bit. So I'm just going to split my hair in half. Not anything serious, but just to get everything situated. So to moisturize and seal my hair after I air dried, it's really easy. I only use 2 products. I do like to do this on damp hair, but I don't know where my spray bottle is, so I'm just going to use a little bit of my leave-in conditioner on my hair. Just to get the ball rolling a little bit. And just go ahead and detangle. I detangled this morning before I left. So. And then I just split this section into 2. As always, I always work in quarters. That's just the easiest way for my hair to absorb product. So for my moisturizer, I like to use the Hydrating Buttercream from Pantene, the Gold series. This is one of my favorite products for my hair. My hair absolutely loves this. So I just use like a dime size amount because it spreads out to be quite a lot. And I just apply this to my hair, making sure to get the ends and everything like that. I have not applied any heat since my wash day, which you guys saw in the previous video. I just did a braid out the last 2 days. It's now Wednesday. I did my wash day on Sunday. I ended up falling asleep. So, yeah, which is totally fine. No biggie. So I just go ahead and put this all over my head. And then to seal that in, I just like to use pure olive oil. This is just from Goya. I don't know if like it's not good, but it's just what I use. And I just use, again, like a dime size amount. Nothing crazy because I don't want it to weigh my hair down too much. Olive oil is really one of my favorite oils for my hair. My hair loves olive oil. My hair, I don't know if I've told you guys, I think I have, is not the biggest fan of coconut oil. So I personally try to not use products with coconut oil in my hair, or like just pure coconut oil in my hair. So as you guys can see, that leaves my hair super shiny and moisturized, and it just looks so good. So I love that. So I'm just going to clip off this section and then just do that to the rest of the 3 sections. So that is how I air dry my hair. I moisturize and seal it once it is done. As you guys can see, my hair looks super hydrated, moisturized, and it's just so soft because I didn't use any heat on it, and it just feels so amazing. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Leave down below what your favorite videos are of mine to film. I know a lot of you guys love my relaxed hair videos, which makes me so happy. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you in my next one very soon. Love you girls. Mwah. Bye.